Hey everyone, I'm back. Took a little bit longer to get set up than I thought, but I'm here and I got everything set up. It's probably gonna take a little bit longer to get this video up to you guys, but I'm gonna try to keep doing them in 4K. Hopefully the internet can handle that. I'm just gonna give you guys a little overview of what I do in the morning, which is feed the animals, bottle raising some calves, and these calves right here, we got 4 in this pen. They are off milk, off the bottles. See if I can hold a camera and not let them out. So once they get off milk, they get grain. They should be eating grass. So we usually feed them sweet feed, but we ran out, so I'm just giving them some cracked corn right now, which works. Get some more sweet feed for them. The other ones are a little bit shy. This guy just got off milk. So we're bringing the 2 bottles to these 2 calves right here. These are the youngest calves we have. It's going to be a little while before we get them weaned off milk. I have one more calf up here that's still on milk, but he's eating grain and nibbling on grass, which means he's pretty much ready to be weaned off milk. I'm going to probably slowly stop giving him milk. Up here, buddy. Come on, move over. Right here, dum-dum. There you go. I like to just pinch the bottles in the fence like this. Makes it a lot easier because they will try to knock them around and stuff. Alright, so we got the last calf to do now. This one's doing really well. He's nibbling grass and eating grain. This one doesn't really get the bottle. You try to switch him off a nipple bottle onto a bucket of milk, which I'll show you here in a second. Hey buddy. Yeah. Get some grass in your mouth there. That's good. Come over here. Come over here. Ooh, he got juked. So as you can see, this guy's just gonna drink his milk out the bucket. He's doing pretty good. Starting to get some meat on his bones. They like to headbutt their buckets and bottles because that's what they do to their moms when they want more milk. They headbutt them in the udder. Loving children. And I think he's about done. He's gonna lick up every little drop though. So you want to transition them from the bottles to the bucket, and then from that, they always want more food after they get done. They always want more. So what we do to get them from milk onto grain, take a handful, kind of shove it in their mouth. They'll eat it because they used to feeding them milk. That gets them used to eating grain. So one of the last things I do is check on the chickens and the guinea hens. Need some food. some water too. These are going to be red stars. We got the males and the females to make red star chickens. So we'll check on the guinea hens over here also. These guys are more game birds. They're very wild. Alright, they ate all their food. And the water's kind of low. So we'll get some food and water for both of them. Alright, that's pretty much it for feeding the animals in the morning. There's a few more little odd and end things, but I'm not going to film all that. Maybe some other video. Got a lot of videos that are going to be coming. I've got a lot of deer in the area that I've been getting on film. There's some bear. We got the big cows out in the main pasture here. We got a lot of little building projects going on. We got some projects going down on the hunting property, fencing and stuff. So if you haven't already, subscribe and stay tuned and keep an eye out for those videos.